Hey everybody, in today's video I am going to install some RGB lights that I got. These are, the hell are these? RGB something something. Got these on Amazon. I'll put the link on the bottom here. It's 4 colors or 4 strips. They're magnetic and they also stick. So I'll go over all this. I upgraded my camera so it'll give better light and shit and stuff. So I'm gonna get more light once I start doing the thing, but for now I'm just, I guess, unboxing it. I'm gonna read the instructions and then go from there. But this is what's in the box. I guess I should get some light. I'll get some light here in a second. Okay, there should be plenty of fucking light. So let's see what we got in here. Okay. Got a bunch of cables and shit. So these cables here, it's like a splitter, and it looks like one of these could power all 4 of my connectors. So it looks like I would connect this to the motherboard, and then these 4 would go to the LEDs. So why is there so many? This is just one of the strips. I did read the instructions, so I don't want you to think, oh, this motherfucker don't know what he's doing. Okay, I just like to unbox stuff and look at it. Okay, so you can take that off, and it sticks to something that's not metallic, or I was told that it would stick to something that is metallic, but it's not sticking to shit. They lied to me. They lied to me. They said this was magnetic. This shit is not magnetic. No, sir. There's nothing magnetic about this shit. Okay. So that was a fucking lie. Alrighty then. So I'm gonna have to stick these old-fashioned way. Now I just have to figure out where I want this shit. Yeah, this is just another. Okay. So I'm gonna have to look in here and see where the connection for the header is. Ah, there it goes. I found it. It's up there. See? Yeah, boy. Right there. You see it? Right there. That's the header for it. Yep. Right there. Underneath this fucking little sticker. Can we zoom in on that? Yep. That piece there. That's weird how here I can see it, but in the camera it's covered by the cable. So that's it. That little thing right there. So 12 volt, yep, that's exactly what I need. So hook up this thing there. This says it has an arrow. Huh. This thing says it has an arrow pointing to the direction it should go. I don't know if you can see that shit. Let's zoom in on that. Let's see. You see that? It's got a little arrow to where you should connect that on. So let's see what the fucking directions say. Dear installer, don't fuck this up. I'll try not to. So it comes with 4 RGB strips, 12 volts, okay. RGB header. Please check to make sure it's a 12 volt 4-pin RGB header on your motherboard. Got it. So it doesn't say what that pin is. It doesn't say if the pin is positive or negative. It doesn't say. This is terrible. Magnetic and adhesive is bullshit. 7 piece cut. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't say. It doesn't say. I mean, it does say. But see, this one has the little arrow. I don't know if you can see that. It has the little arrow on the right, and yeah, I don't know. Okay, let's blow some shit up here. Alright, I'm gonna hook this shit up. It goes without saying that you have to make sure your PC's turned off for this, or you will blow this bitch up. Oh, you know what? Maybe this will tell me what, it's got the, no, it doesn't tell me. Alright, okay. I'm gonna connect that there, and just pray that it doesn't destroy anything. The cable management on this shit's gonna be terrible. Alright, let me do some cable management. Okay, so I'm gonna try the arrow on that thing, but I don't have very much cable management, because if I run it to the other side of my panel, that cable, which is this one here, if I put this on the other side of the case through one of those holes, then I have to run everything back there. So for now, I'm just running it here on the side, and then maybe I can, I don't know, zip tie it or some shit out of the way. But I'm gonna have this here. It is magnetic, so you just have to straighten it out because it wants to be curled. I'm gonna turn on the PC and see what it does. Oh shit, it works. Alright, we'll go to the BIOS and see what so the arrow is positive, just for anybody that's doing this shit. Alright, let's turn off these fucking lights. They're brighter than life. Okay, that's one. That's two. Okay, that's a little bit better. So, oh yeah, it's a different day. Push the button. There we go. Now, let's see what we got here. It's fucking bright as fuck. That's really bright. Now the aura. What the fuck is stealth mode? I don't know what that means. Okay. So, yeah. So now we go to the, where the fuck is I guess I'll have to control that through Windows? Probably. Try level 2, see what happens. Okay, now that I got that light running, I'm gonna try one first and then see what happens. But it's fucking bright. It's super bright. Let me, computer, turn off the light. Look how fucking bright that is. Let me fix the bitch. I'm trying to, there we go. So you can see it's a little bit clearer now. Yeah, that shit is bright though. That's without the cover on. So let me put in my boot password here, and then we'll try and go into Windows and see what the fuck's going on. Okay, so it turns out that I have to go to, I have to install the ASUS software to do that shit. So I'm gonna have to install that, let that run. then when it's done, I'll come back and show you what that shit is, or how it works, or something like that. Okay, so apparently you have to download a thing called the Aura Creator or some shit. It's terrible. The instructions are terrible. The lights fucking turned off. I don't even know how I turned them off. It's terrible. The help says, oh yeah, just create a new layer, right? Well, it's like, okay, here's the device, here's the component, set as layer. Where the fuck is the set as layer? I don't under. Where the fuck is it? So this is that. Am I not looking at this right, or? Oh, fuck, this is stupid. Okay, all LEDs are turned off now. Ain't that a bitch? Static? See, there's no button that says add layer. It just says. What the fuck does it say? I don't know. There's somebody crying outside. I'm not falling for that. Fuck that. I'm not opening the door. So okay, this is terrible. Terrible interface. Terrible instructions. Yeah. Let me figure this out. This is fucking terrible. Terrible. Okay, so I ended up using Aura Sync. It's you have to open up the Aura Armory program to use it. It's a lot easier to use. The other one was just bullshit. It's like stupid complicated. This one is so easy. It's not even funny. Like for example, like I can click let's see, strobing, random, boom. Now I'm gonna do static red. I'm gonna change it to let's change it to white, because that's right. That's just a joke. People, don't kill me. Don't cancel culture me. There's a bunch of different things we could do here. Let me. Starry Night. It's kind of blurry, but oh well. There we go. Yeah. It's terrible. So yeah. I don't know what to do yet. It's like a starry night, or whatever the fuck. I guess it just blinks, or if I just want to turn the bitch off, But what's the difference between color cycle and rainbow? I guess rainbow has a different spectrum here. You could choose different. Like I guess there's like a red rainbow, or different weird ass patterns. I think we'll just stick to the rainbow for now. But yeah, I'm gonna install the other strips on there, and then we'll see the difference. So there's just one strip right now. The magnets are holding it. So I'm gonna do the other 4 and see what happens. So I'll show you how it looks. So I ended up just using 2 of the strips. I put one up here. The magnetic thing is looking like it's holding. The other one's down here. So I'm going to turn it on again and see what it does. I'm thinking about getting some zip ties and zip tying this bitch, so I can cable manage it a little bit better. Keep it out of the way. I might end up I can go a little bit like this. Yeah, because I don't like these wires just hanging out like that. You see that shit? Well, you probably can't see that shit, but well, they're hanging out. Yeah, I don't like these wires hanging out. I'm gonna zip tie those. Anyways, I'm gonna zip tie those, turn this bitch back on, and see what it does. Okay, so I got both of them now, the bottom one and then I got the top one going. I think for now I'm just gonna do that. I am eventually in the future gonna put one in the front of my case, but it already has these lights here, so I don't know if I want to do that. Or I might add another one on the side here. I don't know. Tell me if you think I should add more. I know the cable management is kind of a little fucked, but I'm gonna fix this. This main power cord, I'm gonna push that more in, and these I'm gonna hide these better with zip ties. I'm gonna hide them in between here, the metal and stuff. Some of this shit, there's nothing I can do about, like this here, like the USB stuff. I can't really do shit about this. I mean, I can push it more in, but it's gonna stick out. And then this cable here, that cable there, that goes to the CPU. That's like a USB thing. Some bullshit. But anyways, yeah, if you got any questions, let me know. Eventually I'm gonna put another fan, like a UV fan, up there somewhere, maybe back there, because that one's not UV, or maybe just another wire one so it can reflect the lights better. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna put the glass back on so you can see with the glass. So yeah, that's with the glass on. So I am gonna end up adding another strip towards the rear of the case over there. Yeah, I know the cables look terrible. I know. I see that cable right there. It's terrible. You see that cable right there? It's getting on my nerves. I'm gonna have to fix that. But I'm gonna fix all this up later tomorrow. I'm gonna do some more stuff. Well, actually, here in the next few days, I'm trying to post more and more videos, at least 2 or 3 a week. So subscribe and like and share and all that crap. So yeah, I guess I had a third strip on there. I have 2 more. I have 2 installed and then 2 more. The one at the top, they didn't want to stay. Kept falling off on the edge where the cable was connected. So I ended up tearing some of the sticky pad, so it would stay. The rest is magnetic, so that's pretty good. The first time it wasn't staying on there because these were, when they were stored, they were bent, kind of like horns, like in a C. So they wanted to stay like that. They had memory. So I ended up having to unbend them. So, but you have to be careful with that because you don't want to break any traces or anything. But that's it. Just trying out the different colors here and on the Aura Sync or whatever it's called. And yeah, I guess that's it. That's all she wrote. But if you have any questions, let me know. If you need something for me to go into more detail, let me know. I'm going to put the parts in the, whatchamacallit again. And let's see what it looks like in red. Nah, not bad. So yeah, that's it. Subscribe, like, everything. Love you. Bye.